Plant FAQs. Anthurium splendidum. Anthurium splendidum, the alluring mottled queen of indoor plants. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the captivating Anthurium splendidum, often nicknamed the mottled queen. This tropical stunner has taken the indoor plant world by storm with its unique foliage and relatively easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know to cultivate a thriving Anthurium splendidum. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Anthurium splendidum special? Unlike its flamboyant Anthurium cousins known for vibrant flowers, the splendidum reigns supreme with its mesmerizing leaves. These aren't your average green foliage. Imagine large, glossy leaves boasting a remarkable network of white veins that dance across their surface. Add to that a captivating mottled pattern, and you have a plant that's a conversation starter in any room. This stunning visual display is complemented by the splendidum's preference for cooler temperatures compared to most anthuriums. This makes it ideal for those who struggle to maintain scorching hot environments for their tropical plants. Anthurium splendidum versus other anthuriums. While the splendidum holds its own with its captivating foliage, there are some key differences between it and its flowering anthurium relatives. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty. Flowers. Splendidum boasts minimal to no flowers, focusing its energy on its stunning leaves. Popular flowering anthuriums like the Anthurium andrianum are known for their heart-shaped, brightly colored blooms. Light requirements. Splendidum thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Flowering anthuriums, on the other hand, can tolerate lower light conditions. Temperature. Splendidum prefers cooler temperatures, around 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to most anthuriums that enjoy warmer environments, 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Ultimately, the choice between a splendidum and a flowering anthurium boils down to personal preference. If you crave a plant with mesmerizing foliage and a tolerance for cooler temperatures, the splendidum is your perfect match. How to care for Anthurium splendidum. Now that you're smitten with the splendidum, let's explore how to create a haven for it to flourish in your home. Light. Aim for bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, as this can scorch the leaves. Temperature. As mentioned earlier, cooler temperatures are key. The ideal range is between 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your splendidum to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Here's where the splendidum might require a bit more TLC compared to other houseplants. It thrives in high humidity levels, above 70%. Consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids or orchids. Troubleshooting common Anthurium splendidum issues. Even the most dedicated plant parent can encounter challenges. Here's how to address some common splendidum woes. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to harsh sunlight. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure proper lighting. Stunted growth. Lack of light or insufficient nutrients might be the culprit. Provide brighter indirect light and consider fertilizing with a balanced, diluted fertilizer during the growing season. Yellowing leaves. This could be a sign of overwatering or aging leaves. Reduce watering frequency and remove yellowed leaves as needed. By understanding the signs and taking corrective action, you can ensure your splendidum continues to thrive. Conclusion. The splendidum, a rewarding addition to your indoor oasis. The Anthurium splendidum is more than just a houseplant. It's a captivating piece of living art. With its unique foliage and relatively easygoing nature, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a thriving splendidum that will add a touch of the tropics to your indoor haven. So, are you ready to welcome the mottled queen into your home?